Hello everyone, my name is Ashwani and I'm doing a master's in law at UCL, that is University College London, and I'm here to talk about how to shortlist colleges when you're applying for law postgraduate program in the UK. Now, firstly, the first step is to make a list of colleges that offer law courses. And one more disclaimer is that I'm not going to shortlist colleges for you. This is just to give in, to give to share my thoughts on how to shortlist colleges, to push you along those, to push you, to think along these lines, right? So firstly, you make a list of colleges. You can refer to the QS ranking or Times ranking just to make a list of colleges that offer law courses. You're not making a call on colleges whether they're good, bad, whether they have good courses for you or not. You're just making a list of colleges that offer law courses, and that's it. Now, the second thing is that you visit their website, see if they have courses that you're looking for. Now, what I mean by that. Now, let's say that so for most UK colleges, they let you customize, your master's program. So that means you'll have a list of modules that you could pick from. So let's say that a college A has 30 modules, right? So they might ask you to pick four modules from those 30 modules to make your to customize your masters, right? So that's your way to customize it, right? Now, once you coming back to the research part, once you visit their website, what you see is that if they have enough modules for you to customize, by enough I mean, let's say that if you are interested in only corporate law and you want to limit yourself to corporate law, you don't want to step outside corporate law, that means you are interested in only modules that sort of relate to corporate law, right? So let's say that that college A that's providing 30 modules uh, to pick from, and you have to pick four, but but that college has only two corporate law modules. That means you are forced to pick two modules outside corporate law. And if it's not and if it's not something that you are comfortable with, it's not a good college for you, right? Because you have 50% of modules outside the area of law that you wanted, right? So you are not getting corporate law for 50% of our modules. Not a good fall for you, right? Now, let's say that let's say that you manage to find a few colleges that have enough modules for you to customize your masters, right? Point is that Next point is that if whether those modules have what you're looking for. It's possible that those modules are covering a few topics that you may not be interested in, even if even if they relate to corporate law. Maybe it's possible that you're not a fan of those topics. You want to skip those topics, and in your masters, right? You're done with those topics, right? Or you already know about those topics in good detail, and you don't want to like spend your time again going through the same thing, right? So you would like to avoid those modules. So even by shortlisting, you could make you know sort of make a A, group B, group C list. Group A is colleges that's more close to what you're looking for. Group B is a little bit far, so group A could be your college that's perfect fit for you. It has modules that you're looking for. Those modules have the topics that you're looking for, right? B could be that they have the modules you're looking for, but the topics may be a little bit out of place, not yet there. Group C could be a little bit too far, right? So this could be your sort of not I don't want to say hierarchy, but like it's more close to your group A is more close to you, group B is a little bit far, right? Group C a bit more far, right? So that's your way of shortlisting colleges, right? So group A is your preference list, right? That should be your first target, right? Now, that's the first, that's one factor that you'll look at. The second factor is faculties, right? If they have faculties, let's say you share common interest with, let's say within the group A, you have 5 colleges. So you have 5 colleges that's an absolute fit for you, perfect fit for you. They have good modules. Those modules have good topics, right? Everything is all right. Now, what you could further like make your preference list within Group A based on, let's say, what faculties they have, right? I'm sure they have great faculties, but when I say like that you have to research on faculties, what I mean is that if you share common interests with the faculties, if the faculty are, let's say, working on some topic, exploring some new research area that sort of has, you know, that has sort of generated an interest, a curiosity in you, then you maybe, you are maybe more attracted towards that college, right? So you will look, research more on the, about the faculties they have. So, and this also helps you when you're drafting your SOP. Say that you sort of come across that college, this college XYZ in the Group A has 2 faculties that, that you share common interest with. Let's say that one of the faculties is a, is an expert in their field, and you have read their work. Apparently you have read their work, you know them, you have followed them for, right, you have been following them for some time, you are maybe a fan of their work. So a great, right, a great bonus point to you, right? That college is likely to be on your top preference list. That also helps you when you're writing your SOP, right? So in your SOP, when you are sort of expected to justify why that college is good for you, why you're applying to that college, what made you apply to that college, right? That could be a reason for it, right? The faculty, right? They are there. You have been, you are a great fan, right? You have been following them, right? Maybe you're, their work has influenced you, right? So again, one more thing for you to write in your SOP makes your job a little easier. So these 2 factors, and this may seem like a very easy job, but it requires a lot of research because you have to go through every college, the course they have, the modules they have, topics they have, those modules that are covering, right?